How to make no name Instagram highlights. Hey there everyone, welcome back. So if you want to create a Instagram highlight without using any name, then here is how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to make your highlights without name, first go ahead and open up the Instagram application from your phone, and from the Instagram homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile. Now once you're here inside your Instagram profile, tap on this new option beside the highlight. So I'm going to tap on new, and I'm going to select a picture for the highlight. For example, I'm going to tap on next, and you'll get to see it's asking me to add a highlight. So if you don't add any name here, if you tap on this add button at the top right, the highlight will be added without name, but it's showing the highlight's name. But if you want to remove the highlight's name, the very first thing that you have to do is just to get back from here and then simply go and open up a browser. I'm going to open up the Safari browser and then simply go and search for empty highlights. And once you search for empty highlights, you'll get to see the few different websites are available. So you can open up any of these. So I'm going to open up the first website. And once you do that, you'll get to see the copy to clipboard option. You can tap on copy to clipboard and this will be copied. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back to the Instagram again. And on the Instagram, go and tap on the highlights and open the highlights. And then simply go and tap on this more option at the bottom right. And then tap on edit highlights. And once you do that, you'll get to see the name is selected with the highlights. So just go and select that and delete the name. And paste the clip that you have recently copied. So I'm going to press and hold this, and I'm going to paste it. He'll get to see it's showing nothing. So you actually have to tap on done at the top right and your work is done. You just need to get back from here. If I get back to the profile, you'll get to see the highlights has been uploaded without the name. And this is how we can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.